The PS5 comes with ShareFactoryStudio creator packs. There's 7 in total. This video is showing you all that the horror creator pack can offer you. Generally there are custom intros, outros, stickers, screenshots, transitions and screen effects, and I'll show you all of these in this quick video. Watch the next videos for all the details on all the other 6 creator packs too. So let's get straight into it. So let's look at the horror intros, title and outros. So next is the ShareFactoryStudio horror screenshots. And next up are the horror transitions.
What's the other half? I'll let you know when I find it.
The last 6 Christmases I was locked behind 30 feet of steel. I intend to enjoy.
So now let's take a look at the horror stickers that are available. And these are the horror text fonts that you can choose from. And in addition to the ShareFactoryStudio sound effects, you have the horror sound effects available here. So the next thing to do is to click on one of the videos on the screen now, which will show you some of the options of the other creator packs that you might want to watch, or other ShareFactoryStudio tutorials that you might be interested in. So thanks for watching. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and please use support creator code NoMoreNoobie in the item shop. Thanks.